Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana rules for automated task assignments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Asana rules for automated task assignments, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to set up rules. Look for the Customize button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on Customize to open the customization panel. Scroll down to the Rules section in the panel. Click on the Add Rule button to create a new rule. Choose a trigger for your rule from the available options. For example, select Task Added if you want the rule to activate whenever a new task is created. Next, decide on an action for your rule. You might choose Assign to automatically assign the task to a specific team member. Select the team member you wish to assign the tasks to from the drop-down menu. Once you've set your desired trigger and action, review your configuration for accuracy. Click on Create Rule to save your new automated rule. After the rule is created, you will see it listed in the Rules section of the customization panel. To edit or delete a rule, simply click on the corresponding options next to the rule name. To test your new rule, create a new task in the project and check if it assigns automatically. Adjust any settings if necessary based on the test results. Congratulations, you have successfully configured rules for automated task assignments in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.